The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it.
With that belief in mind, we present Carbiona,
a breakthrough innovation that transforms factory pollution into clean power.
Good day, respected judges. We are the team Alchemist from SG Memorial Senior Secondary School. I'm Titiksha, joined by my teammates Yashika and Abhinav. Our vision is to make factories part of the climate solution and not the problem. Every year, industries release enormous amount of carbon dioxide, polluting our air and warming our planet. Carbiona changes that story. It protects our planet by turning industrial carbon emissions into pure carbon, pure oxygen and electricity. Through this, we contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals,
SDG 7,
clean and affordable energy,
SDG 11,
sustainable cities and communities,
and SDG 13.
climate action.
Across the world, factories release millions of tons of carbon dioxide each year, heating our planet and harming our health. With Carbiona, we treat the same carbon dioxide not as waste but as a valuable material. Instead of releasing it into the air, our system captures, converts, and reuses it.
This means factories can keep running, but now they'll be producing cleaner air, lower emissions, and a positive impact on our environment. Carbiona helps cities move towards sustainable industry where pollution becomes power and waste becomes value.
Here's how Carbiona works. First, the Carbiona units capture CO2 directly from the factory exhaust before it releases into the atmosphere. Next, the carbon dioxide is released into an electrochemical reactor where it produces clean electricity from the gas itself. Next, the remaining carbon dioxide is sent to the electrolysis unit where it splits it into solid carbon and pure oxygen.
The solid carbon is safely stored underground while the oxygen is collected for industrial or medical use. The best part, Carbiona powers itself using the electricity it produces, creating a closed and sustainable loop which reduces reliance on fossil fuels.
Its key features include self-sustaining intelligent operation, carbon dioxide reduction at the source, electricity generation from waste gases, and usable oxygen and safe carbon storage and easy integration with existing factories.
In conclusion, Carbiona converts harmful emissions into clean energy and valuable material. If the last revolution gave us progress with pollution, this one gives us progress with purpose. Thank you.